Okay, so we're not quite done with the video yet. If you remember back on the screen capture videos, you can see that I didn't record them at the same size of our final video, which is 1280 by 720 size. If I really wanted to do it correctly, I would have made sure that I recorded these at the right aspect ratio, but I didn't. So that's no big deal. But I do want to get rid of these black lines up at the top and bottom of the video. I could leave them there but if I really didn't want to be fussy about it. But I like to kind of keep things, looking clean and stuff like that. So the easiest way to fix that would just be to add a white background to your video and make it so that it's behind everything else. The easiest way to do that would be to make sure that you add a new video track below all of your video clips. You can see here the video track that I have all my video clips on is the bottom-most video track. So I actually need to add a new video track or just click and drag an empty video track below it. So I have an empty space down here. So now I can add stuff to this video track and it will appear behind the video footage above it, and it will only shine through unless the footage on this video track doesn't take up the entire slide, like in this case. Instead of showing black, it'll show whatever I put on this video track here. And so I'm going to put on this video track is basically a white background. So to do that, just click on Media Generators, and then over here on the left, just click on Solid Color, and then you can just select white or whatever matches your video. In my case, it's white because everything else is white. I'm just going to click and drag that down into this empty video track, and I can change the color, if I want to, but I really don't care to. And I'm just going to click and drag this empty white clip so that it matches so it's the exact same length as the video itself. So when we get to a portion of the video where the screen capture video doesn't take up the entire screen, instead of showing white, it will just show black. And this is going to be, really, if I didn't tell you about it and you were watching this video on my website, you probably wouldn't even notice this white space here, because chances are you'd be watching this video on a white or a web page with a white background anyway. So you would, like I said, you probably wouldn't even notice this unless I pointed it out to you. So that's the quickest and easiest way to fix something like that. If you're using footage that doesn't take up the entire width or height of the other footage, just add a solid color background like that.